Hi, I'm Lokoso Sylvain, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 things you need to become a Selar affiliate. Being an affiliate marketer is the easiest way to make money online. So today I'm going to share with you the 5 things you need to start your affiliate journey with Selar immediately. The number 1 thing you need to start with Selar is a bank account. You need a bank account to receive your payment with Selar, because Selar doesn't give you a check or cash. You have to use your own bank account. You can't also use another person's bank account to receive your payment from Selar, because the name on the bank account have to match with your name on your Selar. Not only that, they also have to verify your bank verification number. So the possibility that you have access to another person's bank verification number is very thin, because of the insecurity and of course the fraud and scam going on right now. So to become an affiliate marketer with Selar, you need an active bank account. The next thing you need to become an affiliate marketer with Selar is a smartphone. To become an affiliate require only basic things, and one of these basic things is smartphone. You need a smartphone with access to the internet to become an affiliate with Selar. Getting a smartphone should not be a big deal. I know you are watching either with your smartphone or a PC. If you have a PC, you are also good to go. The next thing you need to become an affiliate with Selar is an active email address. I don't believe you don't have an email address as you watch this, so I don't want to bother much on that aspect of the requirement, because you need an active email address to both sign up and confirm messages coming in. So you need an active email address as a requirement to become an affiliate with Selar. The 4th thing you need to become an affiliate with Selar is basic online marketing skills. If you don't have the basic marketing skill like content creation, video making, how to build effective community and social media engagement, the possibility that you are going to make sale with affiliate marketing is very thin, or you either learn while doing it. It is very important that you get basic marketing skill before you start affiliate marketing. The final thing you need, which is the reason many people don't sign up for affiliate marketing with Selar, is I personally don't understand why people don't like paying for access. If you are a person who value relationship, you discover that getting access to high network most time require that you pay some fee. An affiliate is not left out, because on affiliate there are high net worth content creators and digital creators there that even the copies on their landing page can guarantee you, even as an affiliate marketer, that you are definitely going to make sales. So paying to get access to affiliate market platform should be a priority if you truly want to make money with affiliate marketing. So Selar charge you only 2,000 naira to get access to every of their products on the affiliate network. To me, that is pretty cheap compared to every other platform that I know personally. So the final thing you need for affiliate marketing with Selar is 2,000 naira, $4 or $5. Other than this, please leave your comments below asking your question, and I will answer you directly or through my next video. I hope this video helped you. Please like this video so that it will help me spread this message further and faster. See you in my next video.